Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is transformation. Things are still changing for you, upgrading and evolving. Your surroundings, your energy, your being, your light is becoming brighter and stronger. Therefore, you can maintain more blessings. I'm not sure what you're up to, Aries, but it must be at a magnitude that is humongous where you have to keep on shedding old skin, old energy, outgrowing certain people, outlooks, hobbies, financial stabilities, where you're going to another height where you're stronger. You can take more blessings. You know, positive energy has its own weight. So it seems like you are in the spiritual, physical, mental gym, so you can be blessed to carry more weight, more blessings, more acres, more land, that mansion. Everything is transforming for your own good. I'm constantly evolving, and I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths. Therefore, I become an all-powerful being. Continue to move forward because you're the standard. You're the fire starter. You get everyone riled up, and we believe that the impossible is possible just because of your accomplishments. Life ensures I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow. When you learn, you become wise. You work smart, not hard. When you grow, you become stronger. Therefore, you can maintain more blessings. It'll feel like a light feather, not a ball and chain, rain, sleet, or snow. You're living, not surviving. I'm aware of the progress in my life, and I open my wings to light. Therefore, I transform, I become stronger, and I succeed. Please love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.